In the currency markets today, a little bit of theater of the obvious that we're going to talk about the euro, and the daily volatility was all over the place with huge volume today. Vol spiked in the euro currency in toward the ECB meeting and then fell. Volatility basically ebbed and flowed all day as it rallied in toward the end of the day as well, with a little bit of a rally toward the highs. We had a low of 109.28 in the futures, the euro futures, a high of 110.89.5. So movement was very active, very big day, and we ended up toward the highs as the day closed, as the volatility fell off, trailed in toward the closing, and the prices moved from lows. Actually, I should say prices moved from the opening to the high, to the low, back up toward the high. The ECB decision, as I mentioned, was one of the main reasons for that. They cut rates from negative 40 basis points to negative 50 basis points. So a half of 1% on the deposit rate, now negative on that ECB discount, where banks will have to pay the ECB, although they did introduce tiering, which exempts certain kinds of deposits to that negative rate. That's in order to potentially incentivize banks to lend money out, not have to worry about that overnight reserve rate. And they're going to start off QE again at a rate of about 20 billion euros a month, which is not a huge number, but they didn't really put a date on it. They basically said that it's going to continue as needed. And they also said that they would reinvest the maturing debt money back into buying new debt, and they would continue to do that even if they were hiking rates. So this is really a prolonged stimulus package, a prolonged quantitative easing specifically, regardless of where rates go. That again caused initial weakness, but didn't seem like it was enough. And you saw this in the dollar as well. The dollar index rallied above 99, then fell very hard as the euro rallied, turning into a fairly negative day for the dollar index. So again, those prices offset each other, as the euro is the largest currency in the basket that trades against the dollar in the dollar index. So overall, a positive day for the euro, but with quite a bit of volatility off of that ECB meeting.